Hey C5ers, we're gonna do get our green thumb on today. I'm gonna got some Woolworths seedlings we're gonna plant. I've got some other seedlings we're gonna do. We're gonna repot some plants and we're gonna get some herbs growing ready for Quad Chef. So when it gets warmer, we can have some fresh herbs to add with my dinners and barbecues. I'm putting my making stride skills together, my balance and core strength. Holding. Here we go.
Too much.
So, new making strides workout at home. Putting potting mix. Oh gosh. Come on, Lindsay. So my support worker is laid out the little seedlings for me. Now I'm going to lay them out nice and neat into the little pots, self-growing pots. And then we'll add some water in. So I've pansy and I have tomatoes and some chives. We're going to put them in. Balance. Squash it all in. So my support worker is holding the bottle and I'm going to squirt it. Here we go. Easy peasy.
Wonderful!
We're going to go up the level now. We've got big pots to put some potting mix in, some more herbs and put through. So tip it all in. Get it through.
Good job.
Okay.
Sweet.
Envelope opener. Try and shove it into the packet. Yay! We're gonna get the seedlings out and get ready to open them up to plant. Coming through, but we'll see how we go. We're gonna have 150 odd seedlings coming in. Challenge for everyone out there to have a go.
Good job. That's awesome.
Okay, so the support workers shove the envelope opener in, and these little satchels are really stiff with glue. Going to try and shake the seedlings to the bottom so we can open the packet up with the scissors. Shake, shake, shake. So we've got some big scissors. I've got the support worker holding. We're going to snip it open and without dropping any seedlings. Give it a good old smack. Okay guys, so we've got some dill. We're going to plant that in. See how many we get in this pot this time around, eh? We got a lot. They all went in. Let's see how many we get to have come through. So we're going to spread them out a bit. Get our hands dirty. It smells very good. So let's top it all up. Lucky I have a towel on my lap. I'm gonna get some water. Some water. I'm gonna, the sport workers added a cup of water in. I'm gonna tip some in. Okay, so my support workers put their little trowel into my hand under the splint. And we're going to try and loosen this so without damaging the root bed. Oh man, that's hard. It's harder than you think. Oh, here we go. So we're going to see how this goes. We're going to trial and error. We may lose a succulent out of it, but we're going to break it up so we can replant it. Yay! We got it! Okay. So we've had my support worker, they've repotted the little succulents for me, so I'm going to tip some water around, not too much. Okay, take two, I'm trying to put a little plant in by myself. So Kara's put some soil in, I've got that there. Now we're going to put the potting mix through. Not bad, quad gardener. We've been able to do some gardening today. We'll get some stuff put out. Let's see how we go with the herbs growing, getting ready for summer and some barbecuing. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions or suggestions, send them on through. That's how you do it.